All right, for this problem, we're asked to find the exact value of the cosine of 5 pi over 12. So first, to make this a little bit easier to work with, let's change this angle measure from radians to degrees. We can do that by multiplying 5 pi over 12 by 180 over pi. The pi's will cancel. 12 goes into 180 15 times, and 15 times 5 is 75. So this is the same as the cosine of 75 degrees. Now 75 degrees isn't on our unit circle, so we're going to need to write this as the cosine of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. 45 plus 30 is equal to 75. All I've done is split that 75 into two smaller angles, both of which are on our unit circle. All right, now the cosine, our sum formula for cosine is the cosine of A plus B is equal to the cosine of A times the cosine of B minus the sine of A times the sine of B. All right, now we've got this written out as an expression in terms of angles that are on our unit circle. So we can fill these in. The cosine of 45 degrees is square root of 2 over 2. And the cosine of 30 degrees is the square root of 3 over 2. Minus the sine of 45 degrees is also square root of 2 over 2. And the sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. So now we can multiply these fractions by multiplying the numerators and the denominators. Square root of 2 times square root of 3 is square root of 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus square root of 2 times 1 is square root of 2. 2 times 2 is 4 again. So now we have a common denominator. We can combine these two fractions and get square root of 6 minus the square root of 2 all over 4. And that's going to be our exact value for cosine of 5 pi over 12.